Today in the Ashok Nagar police station limits, around 3:15, 3 to 3:15, we got an information that a self-shooting incident has happened wherein the confident group, the chairman and founder, Sri C.J. Roy, shot himself dead. Initial reports say that he has shot himself. It is the subject of inquiry and investigation. A case is being registered in the Ashok Nagar police station. As of now, the initial reports say that since last 3 days, the income tax team were having raid was going on, searches and the query were going on. But we have to verify all the details. During the today around 3 o'clock, this result has happened. The body has been immediately shifted in an ambulance.
Sure. English ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ.
Ambulance. It's at in a nearby hospital where the doctors have pronounced him dead. Our team, all soccer team and the ballistic team have come and they are inquiring into it. We will take up a case and scientific investigation will be done.
Sir, Roy was ನಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾ ನಿಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾ?
The soccer team, the ballistic team, all have come here. We are inquiring into it. We are taking up a case. The body was the injured person was immediately shifted to a nearby hospital where he was declared dead, brought dead. As of now, the reports say that since last 2 to 3 days, the income tax team were having a search and search on this premises. We are not aware of all the details. The team had come from Kerala and the incident which has taken place is we are yet to investigate, start the investigation because the complaint is being drafted and the police is in touch with the family members who are not in India. We are coming by tonight flight. Once they come, we will come to know the further details. As of now, it is a case of shooting, self-shooting, and still the case till all the angles are inquired into. I cannot give a detailed report on that.
So, sir, is the case, it is a UDR or abatement to suicide?
We'll see you. As they give a case, we'll take it.
Sir, there is information that some income tax officers were there in the office when this incident took place. What are the facts?
No, I don't. Since last 2 days, there was a raid going on. As of preliminary inquiry, we are yet to inquire with the IT officials because initially we wanted to secure this place. Our team is inquiring with them also. But initial report says that yes, there was a raid going on, which the raid had happened earlier also, and there were some inquiries going on. But we have yet to have the details of that.
So, what is the procedure for IT raid? Weren't they supposed to seize the mobile phone and the weapon before questioning the suspect?
No, they are not aware about the details. This incident, we are right now here about the crime which has happened, how it happened, what happened, and all those details. We'll find out and let you know.